Hello student. Now I am going to make a relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. Already I have discussed linear velocity and angular velocity. We will make a relation between them. You see the diagram. Considering that an object is moving along a circular path with angular velocity omega, with center O as shown in figure. Suppose that at any instant or at any time t, the particle is at point A. Then position vector of the particle OA is equal to R. So OA equal to R be the position vectors. Then after a small time dt, the particle reaches from A point to B point through a small linear displacement dr. Then new position vector at point B OB equal to R plus dr. So R plus dr equal to OB is the new position vector. Now the linear displacement of the particle AB equal to dr, and angular displacement AOB equal to d theta, small angular displacement. Therefore, the instantaneous angular velocity simply angular velocity omega equal to d theta by dt. The instantaneous linear velocity v equal to d theta by dr by dt. The instantaneous linear velocity v equal to dr by dt. Since dr equal to in the previous video already we have derived the relation between linear and angular displacement. The relation between linear and angular displacement dr equal to r d theta. Therefore, v equal to r d theta by dt. Since we know instantaneous angular velocity omega equal to d theta by dt, so instead of d theta by dt we can write omega, which is angular velocity, r omega. So v equal to r omega. This is the relation between linear and angular velocity. It's very important points. The relation between linear and angular velocity is v equal to r omega. If you write omega equal to 2 pi by t, then or 2 pi nu, then it will be v equal to r into 2 pi by t or r into 2 pi nu. In vector form, v equal to omega angular velocity omega into r. If you draw the diagram, omega r rotate from omega to r, resultant is b. B equal to b is perpendicular to omega into r. B is perpendicular to omega and r, so it is rotate from omega to r. If you make a screw, no. So this is the relation between linear and angular velocity. Thank you.